Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2003 Honda Goldwing Trike. Obviously this is a yellow Trike. It has the motor Trike kit on it already. Aftermarket wheels from Motor Trike. Nice tinted windshield here. A lot of extra lights on the bike. It has the ring of fire and a couple other accessory LEDs there. They'll all be lit up in just a minute when I start it. Lower fairing and the inner fairing there are painted yellow to match. Looks really nice. Some more LEDs up here. A couple little scuffs right there, a little scratch. Floorboards, running boards. Seats in excellent condition. Oh, I take that back. It does have a tear right here. It does have tape on it right now just to kind of protect it from spreading, but there's a little repair needed on that seat right there. Just in that corner. Everything else is fine. No other tears, rips, nothing like that. It's got these passenger armrests. Again, these custom wheels match the front wheel. These are made by Motor Trike, or sold by Motor Trike, I should say. A lot of LEDs there on the back and the chrome bumper piece at the bottom, and some more here along the top trunk. All in all, it's a really nice bike. A couple blemishes. There's one there. Some of this chrome film is starting to peel off. That trim piece there, that could be removed completely, or just pulled off and repainted, or minor fix. Nice running boards there, people love that. Of course, the inner dash console there is also painted yellow to match the bike. Really nice machine here. 2003, it's got low miles, good tires on it. I'm gonna go ahead and start this one up. I left it in gear. I'm gonna come around. The button was sticking on me there for a second. Probably just needs a little contact cleaner, like a lot of these do. 28,200 miles on this bike. 28,200 miles. Sounds amazing. I believe the exhaust is aftermarket, and this one does have the easy steer as well. There's the lights I was talking about. Looks really nice when it's in a darker area. '2003 Goldwing Motor Trike kit. A lot of yellow on this bike. Only 28,200 miles. Runs excellent. Sounds excellent. Another little blemish I just noticed. Minor stuff. It is 15 years old, so, but low miles. Some more lights in there. Hard to see out here in the sunny Florida weather, but pretty well lit up. Any questions about this bike, please call us. We're at 813-615-1700. And the rear tires are in great shape. Sorry, I forgot to point that out earlier. That's our phone number. Give us a call for any questions you may have. We have discounted shipping rates available. We ship bikes out of here all the time. Just had a couple leave this morning and a few yesterday as well. Shipping rates start at $300 and they go up from there. It just depends on where you're located. So we'll need your zip code for an accurate quote. Other option would be you can fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up. You can ride her home. The bike's been serviced. It's ready to go. Here it is, guys. 2003 Honda Goldwing motor trike. Thanks for watching.